Hello, Deer Creek neighbors. We recently sold this beautiful Deer Creek home in Plano in under 2 weeks, achieving the highest price per square foot in the neighborhood. The sellers had already found their dream home, and it was a bittersweet farewell to their beloved Deer Creek house, but they were ready for the next chapter.
Now here's a look at the steps we took to make this sale a success. Step 1, strategize. We started by discussing price, timelines, and a marketing plan. Step 2, staging. We leveraged the client's existing furniture and enhanced it by adding additional pieces to highlight the property's best features. Step 3, photos. Stunning, high-quality professional photos were taken to showcase the home in its best light, ensuring it stood out in listings and advertisements. Step 4, open house. We hosted a successful open house and launch party, attracting potential buyers and generating buzz around the property. Step 5, marketing. We leveraged our social media platforms to maximize exposure, connecting with potential buyers and showcasing this Deer Creek gem to the wide audience. Our social media played a crucial role in achieving this fantastic outcome, just like we're reaching you now.
If you've been considering selling or want to know what your Deer Creek home could be worth, we'd love to help. Our team can guide you through each step of the process, just like we did the sellers of this Deer Creek home. We're Lisa and Ashley with Nest Partners.